You throttle up with shift, you throttle down with control, and you use your mouse to fly. Or like, shift, hold shift. And then just slightly look up. It'll make you fly. Look up, Goose. Look up, Goose. Come on, Goose. Full throttle it. You got it! No, Goose! Oh. Really bonding time.
Well, I just realized I'm kind of missing one of my road wheels, but that's also not at the same time.
Fuck. My God! Why is everybody hate Mama's car? Dude, Goose. Battle to kill dozer. Oh fuck, Goose actually winning.
Jesus, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. Oh, hello.
Oh. God damn it! Spun me under the map. Get me back up! Yes! What the fuck are you? What are you? Legend Jam, let me in. Legend Jam. Oh my God! Christ. Hey man, you want to play bombs? What's happening? I don't think that's the range. Come here, get I'm not done with you. Oh my God! Oh no! I realized he was on his breakfast. I haven't even done anything. Psycho. Not in this economy. Oh! I'm crying. Stop. Dude, are you exploding? What the fuck? It's like he's self-destructed.
Spoiler, there's a robot attacking you.
Hey man. Like Toxic Tony, come on Toxic Tony. See you later, Toxic Tony. Wait, oh shit. Wait, I'm tall enough to be in the ocean? Oh, hell yeah. I'm crying. Is this actually tall enough to be in the... Nope. No, not even close.
Jesus Christ!
Can I like? Oh, how much the?
Made a rocket.
Jesus Christ, James!
Oh my God. What's that? Are you a Miata? I can't tell. Holy shit, what the fuck was that? Gotta run, bro. See you later, Jim Jam. Oh, I flipped over. Ow, no, God. Ow. Oh, my bomb! What? How are you? Brother John Kennedy! Thank you for the car.
Oh! Chicago.
This is Chicago. Can I see anything? Almost just died just then. I think these cars have soft body physics. Like, this front fender is like
Can we
loose.
fight each other in tanks, mayhap?
Oh my god, it's so laggy! What did you guys do? Oh no, Jim Rap! They will never find me here. Oh, this place looks cool. You know where I'll keep my nitro glycerin. Where's this room? What's in here? Oh, there's a sauna. There's a sauna. Ah. Seems I'm coming here. There's a sauna.
Look at the bathroom.
Come in here, Jim Jam. There's a sauna.
James! I think I know what might have been in the bathroom.